The investment in manufacturing in the U.S. for Rinnai is part of our company culture and what we do. And we made that investment beginning of last year, January of 2018, when we moved into this facility in Griffin, Georgia. If you look at our business, we've been in North America since 1974. We brought Tankless to North America beginning in 2000. And to hit this 3 millionth unit today is just a major accomplishment for our company. For the last 30 or 40 years, Rinnai America and Rinnai Corporation have been using copper heat exchangers in our non-condensing product technology. Believe it or not, we've sold over 20 million units around the world with the heat exchanger using the copper material. The reason we use that is that it's much more flexible with the high heats that you deal with in non-condensing product, so it's able to expand and contract and last longer than other materials used in heat exchangers for non-condensing. We've been selling Tankless in North America since 2000, so you can see the volume's been building over the years, but to get to that 3 millionth unit and have it manufactured here in Griffin, Georgia is a huge milestone, not only for Rinnai America, but for our corporation. One of the great surprises that we really have uncovered here at RAM is the quality of the team that we have in our manufacturing group. The Griffin market, working with the local community and technical school, has provided us with a great core group of people that are helping us accomplish our goals. We have a good product, we have a good company backing us, but more importantly, we've got a great team of associates working here at Rinnai America that come in every day committed to what we're trying to accomplish here. Our Rinnai Corporation looks around the world and sees the North American market as one of the greatest growth vehicles for our corporation going forward. By 2027, we want to 3X our business. And the only way we're going to 3X our business is if we 3X our customers' business. That's why we're making the investments here at Rinnai America. Domestic manufacturing, new corporate headquarters, innovation center, launching new product in Tankless, improving the existing product we have. That's our goal, is to be the growth driver for Rinnai Corporation.